We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I'm here with all of my taste testers. We have Chef Laurent Zarate. Thank you for being here again. We always love having you and your insight into all the food. Yes. And Val and Tomas, thank you.
Here we are.
I know, the gang is all here. Well, we're talking about Washington-grown berries. Blueberries have a special place in my heart. I used to pick blueberries when I was a kid.
You did?
Yeah, so it was kind of fun to go to the field in this episode and see all the young kids. And I don't have the skills that they do, clearly, but it's all good. And you've been to a cranberry farm before, cranberries, and so this was my first time to see how they do it, and
it's amazing.
Man, it was so interesting.
I didn't know we were growing cranberries in Washington.
On the coast.
Southwest Washington.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So if you ever get a chance to go down there and take a little drive kind of through the back roads, chances are you'll see a cranberry bog. And you went into the woods, into the wild.
Yes, we did.
With some berries.
Yeah, Santa Lucia and I went camping, and we decided to make a couple little recipes with Washington-grown ingredients. And being that this was a berry episode, like, can we get ambitious? Can we go camping and do something a little bit fun? And so we decided to do a peach berry cobbler.
And I heard you did so well, you had enough for the whole campground.
Oh, that's right, actually, yes, yeah.
Did you share?
We did. We had you'll see it here in just a little bit. It ends up being a really big serving. And there was some campers on the other side of us, and we're like, I didn't want to toss them out.
And they started to smell.
Yeah. So we went over there, took some bowls of the cobbler, and they loved it. They were just like, well, this is so cool.
That's
we told them about the show and everything, and so they were really excited to have it. And it was fun to be able to spread a little bit of that joy, to other people.
Washington-grown love.
So long as it's not bears.
Right, exactly.
I'm sure the bears would have loved it too.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let's take a look and see your adventure.
Today we're making a campfire cobbler.
And we're using Washington-grown peaches and berries.
So let's get to it. Cheers. That's so good.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's so good.
Wow.
So as you can see, it came out really good. I mean, taking that foil off, we were so excited, to get it going. And it did take a couple of tries, experimenting here at home to find the right temperature settings that I needed to ensure that the berries didn't burn at the bottom, because you have to be really careful with that. But it was delicious. And that cobbler ended up being really almost like a cake.
Yeah.
And so it was just delicious.
And if you want, you can prepare that trussel on top, the dough beforehand, leave it in a Ziploc, and bring it to the campfire.
Exactly.
Or camp,
That's actually kind of how we did it. We put all the dry ingredients in just a bag.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So then we could just
No, it's
really
beautiful.
quick.
I love your reaction.
I think Val and I will go on a trip camping with you next time, but only if you cook.
Okay, all right.
So good.
Me out in the woods.
They might be willing. Yeah.
We'll try.
And I love the reaction when you guys were eating it for the first time. You're like, wow, this is really good.
Yeah, it was.
That's
It was
so
delicious.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Thomas.
Good way to use those Washington berries.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. To get this recipe for campfire cobbler, visit us at wagrown.com.